Motorola has launched the Motorola Edge 70 in India. The Motorola Edge 70 is available in a single 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant priced at 29,999 rupees. The Edge 70 will come bronze green and gadget gray and lily pad and measure just 5.99mm thick while weighing a mere 159 g. The phone will have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The design sticks to a flat edge frame with a punch-hole selfie camera and a triple rear setup, led by a 50MP main sensor, joined by a 50MP ultra-wide, a 50MP front-facing camera, and the inclusion of a dedicated AI button from Blast Video. Edge 70 will bring a 6.67-inch OLED and a 120Hz refresh rate. Edge 70 will come equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. Run Android 16 out of the box. The 4,800 mAh silicon carbon battery with 68W wired charging support. The phone will have speakers with Dolby Atmos. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.